Hello everyone, welcome back to All About SCM and Logistics channel. My name is Arvind Kumar. Today I have brought a very interesting topic for you, that is waste management. Waste management is actually a very important and necessary topic for, especially if I say in today's era, because somewhere if we do so, we are somewhere contributing to our environment. I was thinking of discussing this topic with you from many days, so today I am doing so. In order to understand the waste management, first of all, we should know what is a waste. A waste is anything that does not create any value and also utilize our resources. These resources can be in the form of space, can be in the form of money, can be in the form of labor. So, anything which is not creating any value but utilizing our resources, that is a waste only. For example, the trash papers, for example, the polythene papers, and for example the cans that we throw after drinking the cold drink. Anything which is not creating a value is a waste only. Next thing, we need to understand how to manage this kind of waste, how to manage waste, and what is actually a waste management. So waste management is first of all how we can minimize the waste. That means how we can, in our daily life, in our daily habits, how we can change our habits so that waste should be as minimum as possible, whether we think at an individual level and whether we think as a company level. So first of all, you should try to minimize your waste in the possible manner you can. Second thing is maximizing the probability of using things which can be recycled or which can be reused. So in this particular manner, we can somewhere contribute to the environment and we can manage our waste efficiently. Now let's talk about the process of waste management. So if we talk about process, first of all, we need to analyze what is a waste. First, we have to actually determine what is a waste. We cannot call everything as a waste. So we need to define some criteria which will be called as waste and which will be not called as waste. Second step, we need to collect these waste. We need to define a process through which we will collect this waste. Process can be like, at our home also we determine the two type of waste. One is a dry waste, one is a liquid waste. So we need to define these categories of waste, and we need to also define the process of collecting these waste, so that it actually help us further in the transportation of these waste to their desired places. After reaching to the desired places, there is a recovery process starts, so that what we can recover from this waste. For example, newspaper that we reuse daily can be recycled. So this is the process of waste management, and with this I'll end today's session. And I have been thinking of coming up with a few videos of waste that we generally see at our home, and how we can effectively utilize them in our home, so that we can somewhere also contribute to the environment. And sooner I will be coming with those types of videos. I would request you as well, if you have any suggestions, something in your mind, come with something creative, post them in the comments and the suggestions, so I would be really happy to implement or make something like that in my home. So with this, I'll sign up for today, and take very well care of you in this pandemic. Sooner we will meet in our next video.